In this video, we're going to have a look at affiliate marketing simplified. I'll assume you're watching this video because you're either interested in affiliate marketing as maybe a part-time or you're just starting out. I'm actually going to use my blog post, Affiliate Marketing Made Simple, as a visual example of what I'm talking about. As you can see here, what I've actually written in my post is, put simply, affiliate marketing is the sell promotion of a product or service from any person in exchange for payment. So in actual terms, the general rule is you should not need to buy any product at all or pay any money in advance. Affiliate marketing is made on the basis that you're paid for your performance. And because you don't actually own any of the products that you'll be promoting, the likes of inventory, deliveries, refunds, etc. won't be your responsibility. What I actually should have put in here is a small list of affiliate program providers. Maybe I'll do that after. What I will do is add a small list in the video description below the video. In essence, affiliate marketing is actually quite simple. You find a product, a system that you like the look of and you'd like to promote. You find the affiliate program, you'll then request your affiliate link, and then you're free to start promoting. So below I've listed a few ways that I personally use to promote my affiliate products. So number one, and probably the most important, is actually what you're watching right now, video. Every audience likes video. They can relate to video, they can see things in videos that you can't really get through on articles or still pictures. Personally, for me, video works best. If done correctly, it can get you a lot of traffic. I'm still in the early stages of video, as you can probably tell, so be kind in the comments. But nearly every affiliate training program out there will encourage you to use video. Okay, so the next traffic source I use are press releases. If done correctly, press releases can be a very good source of traffic. I'll be honest, I've never actually written a press release. I actually outsource this. I go to a place called Fiverr where you can get a press release done and illustrated for $5. I'll actually drop a link to Fiverr in the description below. Okay, so the third traffic source I use to get traffic to my affiliate links is actually blogging. I think I should have actually put this in second ahead of press releases because I think I get better traffic to my blog than I do with the press releases, but both are good. Anyway, I'm sidetracking there. If you're going to do any form of online marketing, be it affiliate marketing, I do recommend that you get some sort of base, a website, a blog, so people can get to know you, follow you. This is me here, Marketing with Steph. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should have a website. So, number 1, having a website will attract new customers to your business and make you more money. Number 2, add instant credibility to your business simply by having a website. Number 3, it's not hard or as expensive as you think. Number 4, having a website will end up saving you time. And number 5, probably the most important thing, position yourself and stay in control of your brand. Okay, so on to number 2. Add instant credibility to your business simply by having a website. Surveys have shown that 56% of people stated they won't trust a business without a website. So having a good website instantly boosts your credibility as a legitimate business. First impressions count, and websites allow you to make a very strong impression with a well-designed introduction to your business. Also, a website can help showcase your expertise and better position your business. A website can be your number 1 tool for standing out in the crowd. Okay, number 3. Setting up your first website isn't as hard or as expensive as you might think. There are so many web development companies out there now. They can literally have a website set up for you in a matter of hours. I really can't stress enough how important a website is for you. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, please take note of this. Websites offer a better return on investment than any other form of advertising. So, as I said before, serious about affiliate marketing, get the website. Okay, let's touch briefly on number 4. Having a website will end up saving you time. If you're constantly trading emails and taking customers, this all takes time. Your website can save you time by providing answers to common customer questions and inquiries. What does this mean for you? You can spend more time doing more valuable things. Okay, number 5, and probably the most important. Your website will help you position yourself and stay in control of your brand. 79% of users who read online reviews believe so. Positive reviews about you and your brand will increase your traffic and therefore increase your sales. I've recorded this video for you as a brief outline of what affiliate marketing actually entails. I'll actually briefly show you the course that I used when I first started out. So the actual course that I used when I first started out in affiliate marketing was John Crestani's Super Affiliate System. And right now I've just noticed he's, look at that, giving away some free training. That's interesting. John goes into affiliate marketing much deeper than what I've gone into it with you. As I said before, mine was just a brief outline. I'll actually leave a link to the course below the video in the description. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, simply leave them in the comments below. Again, thank you.